Hello and welcome back to Info. In this video, I will show you what to do when your microphone is not working on SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. Let's begin. And you can simply start with cleaning your microphone. Sometimes the microphone port is very dirty and the sound just cannot get through. So I would advise you to locate your microphone, and if you don't know how to do that, we do have tutorials on exactly that topic, and you want to clean it with some non-metallic tool. So needle is but for example toothpick is pretty good. Also a toothbrush, but it cannot be wet, will also work. Then we want to simply make sure that our microphone is enabled. How can you disable your microphone, you may ask? Well, you want to make sure that if we go to the settings and if we scroll down and head into privacy, then privacy dashboard, we do have, for example, microphone, but as you can see, nothing has used it. Though there are applications that do have microphone permissions. In order to have access to them, we can scroll down and we should see app permissions. As you can see, now we have microphone, and you want to simply make sure that everything that needs microphone access has microphone access. It's incredibly basic thing, and it generally applications do ask you for permissions to microphone, but sometimes you may by accident get rid of this permission, and this is how you get it back. You simply select application that is not allowed to use microphone, for example keep notes, and you can allow only while using the app. Then you also want to simply perform a simple diagnostic test. Maybe your microphone is working but its quality is very bad, or it's very low, or whatever. Then you want to head into your voice recorder. We can of course continue, we can skip the premium voice recorder, whatever, and then we can simply start recording. As you can see, now it asks us to record audio, so we do want to give this permission. Notifications are not necessary, but we can allow them. And now we are recording our voice. As you can see, we do have a pretty loud voice, so everything should be fine. I would also advise you to lean in towards and move in this direction, then move in this direction, so we can locate any kind of bugs. And then you want to generally listen over to it and make sure that we actually don't, well, we could change the name, but I don't want to, I don't care. And then you want to simply listen back to it and make sure that nothing is wrong. In case you hear a very specific issue, like your microphone is burping or it's farting or whatever, then you know more information about the issue you have, and then you can search for very specific issue, like help, my microphone is farting, what to do. Since general microphone not working is a little bit too general, and having a nice diagnostic test is really good. And lastly, we can simply check our software. We can do that by going into settings, scrolling all the way down, heading into system, and then system and updates. If we switch from apps to system, we will see that our device already has the latest available system updates. That's pretty good. But sometimes you do not have these newest system updates, and then it's strongly advised to do those, because maybe the newest update fixed some issues with microphone. Who knows? But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.